This is a walkthrough of Midori condominium unit. Midori is a 3-story mid-rise building with 50 square meters floor area for all units. The unit has 2 bedrooms, living area, dining area, kitchen, 1 toilet and bath, and a patio. Upon entering the steel main door, you will see an open multipurpose space of 19 square meters, which encourages you to decorate your desired living room, dining area, and kitchen. The unit is complete type finish with interior ceiling, painted interior walls, porcelain floor tiles, with ready electricity and cable outlets and smoke detectors. Upon turnover, the kitchen area has a built-in modular kitchen cabinet with granite countertop. This is the master's bedroom with a spacious floor area of 10 square meters with 2 sliding windows for ventilation and natural lighting. Bedroom 2 has a floor area of 8.5 square meters, also with 2 sliding windows to let natural light fill in the room. The unit has 1 spacious toilet and bath of 4 square meters with PVC type door, flush type water closet, and lavatory. Outlet for water heater is also included. Adjacent to the master's bedroom is the patio, which is an open space of 8.5 square meters. This is a large functional space you may use as dirty kitchen, laundry area since the area has ready drainage system, or simply a hangout space for family bonding. The end units have 2 openings and only back opening for inner units. Truly, Midori is the ideal space for you. Inquire now.